Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this natural looking twist out with clip-ins. It's very natural looking and it's very cute, and you can make it big or you can just keep it small as you want. And so if you guys want to see how I achieved this crazy fun hairstyle, keep on watching. Okay, hi you guys. So here I'm just grabbing a section of my hair and putting a little water on it to lather it up and everything to get it nice and moist. And I'll grab the clip in and I add water to it as well. Then a little finger comb, and then I set that down, and now I got my leave-in Cantu. And I basically use this for everything. I use it all the time. So I put it on my hair, and then I also put it on the clip-ins as well, as you can see here. And just finger comb it in and make sure it's all nice and lathered and everything. Then I get my little denim brush and brush the clip-ins out. Make sure it's nice and brushed out, so no tangles. And then I do it to my hair as well. And remember, you always start from the end and work your way up to your root. Okay, and once it's all nice and brushed out, you get the clip in and you clip it onto that section like so. And then you just start twisting. Let's do 2 strand twist. And then once I get to the part where I only have a little bit of my hair left, I get the Eco Styler and put it on so it will stick better to the clip-ins and mix and blend in more together. Then I just continue until I get to a good stopping point, and I just finger coil the ends like so. And there we go. Nice little twist. Okay, so now we're on the last one. Yay. So basically doing the same thing, just twisting it like so. And usually this is the harder one, I guess, for me, because I have 2 layers of my hair in between a clip-in. And so my hair is a lot thicker than the clip-in at this point. But, it's still the same method. Get that Eco Styler gel, put it on the ends of my hair, and just continue. And finger coil, and yeah, we're all done. So now I just get my little bonnet, because it's nighttime, so I'm finna go to sleep. Because it's better to have a little satin bonnet, or you could have a satin pillow. And I prefer the bonnet because that's what I have. So time to go to bed. Okay, so I took out some of them already at the bottom, and I'm just gonna take out the top. And so what I do is get some oil, put it in my hands. It's a little bit, if you can tell, a little bit. Get it and rub it on the top. Get all that soaked in, and then take them out one by one. And usually what I do, I just get them, and then I would just usually get it and just pull apart like that, like so. Then continue with all the rest. And then once you take them out, I say the best thing to do, get them, and you know how like you have big pieces, just separate them as so look semi, you know, a little bit better, and not big chunks of twist, you know, make it look a little naturaler. Okay, and then I do have a comb because some of the clip-ins you can see, so you just get your comb and you can just like tease it over, smooth the hair over a bit, and do the same, few others, and just fluff it, and I got my little pick, fluff. Want a little bit of volume, so just fluff it up, and voila. And there's your little clip-in style, and you can do whatever. I think I'm gonna do some baby hairs, so baby hairs just to like end it, you know, and give it a final touch, but that's technically it. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day or night, and hopefully you guys comment, subscribe, and anything. Just comment if you like this, if you like the color as well, and yeah, hopefully you have a good day and night. See you later. Bye.